Hi guys, welcome back to the Mad Loud Eyes. So we have had an insane winter so far. We've been really sick and I think we're getting better, and I'm so grateful that it's over. June was just hectic and it's sad because it's holiday, so you know, when you're not feeling well, then you really don't want to do anything else. Which means we haven't been doing a lot of challenges, or for that matter, having a lot of fun. But hopefully that will change soon. And yes, so today I will be sharing another wall that we did. It was quite quick, but longer than what I thought. And the wall cost us less than 1,000 Rand. It was a nice thing to keep us busy while we were staying inside and not going anywhere and trying to just get better. And I think it probably would have taken us less than 2.5 weeks if we weren't sick, because then we would have obviously painted and done everything like constantly all day. But we did it like in between naps and you know, just being lazy and watching movies and stuff because we were not feeling well. But I hope you enjoy this, and I personally love the way that it turned out. So it's not a big wall, it's a very small renovation, but we did it and I'm super stoked about it. Tell me what you think. So this is the next wall that we are tackling. It's got the same wallpaper as the previous wall, and we are trying to avoid taking it off because that is just torture. So 24 hours ago we spray painted the wallpaper to see if it will warp, and it didn't. I used 2 different spray paints, the chalkboard one, which didn't work because it leaves like a powdery effect, and then obviously the normal matte black, which I think is perfect. Doesn't come off. That's the chalkboard, that's the normal one. So just watch the space. I know, don't worry, we're not gonna spray paint it. It was just a tester to see if we could leave the wallpaper at the back and not strip the wall from the glue and the paper and all of that stuff. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is a definite no. We don't like this. Okay guys, so this is what we decided to go for. We had wooden flooring downstairs that we were not using, and instead of spending money on wood, we decided to cut up the floors into these little slats. The problem that we had was we knew, let's just do this. When it goes down like that, you can see the side of the flooring. So then obviously that takes away, I don't know, neatness, and maybe, yeah, I didn't like those little lines. So we had to make a plan. First of all, it took hours to cut this perfect. And we are going to make the back wall black. So then I came up with the idea to paint this black so that when it's on the wall, you can't see those little, I don't know what it is, little pieces of the actual flooring. So from the front it looks fine, but the moment you look at it from an angle, you can see all those flooring marks, which has now again made a small job a big job, because now we have to paint both sides black, and we have to do it obviously by hand. You can't spray paint it because you don't want the actual front to show any paint. And then after this is all painted, we're gonna sand it a little bit, and then it will go back on the wall. So Luke's helping mommy.
It's fun.
You like it?
Yes. My arm doesn't. I hit my arm. I fell off the swing at a very high speed. Landed on my elbow.
It's okay.
So I took it out of the car.
Thanks for your help. Roxy did this one. That's what we have not done. That's what we have not done.
We have 90 to do, and that's all.
And we only did. These are the only ones that we've done all day. This is going to be a long job. So it has literally taken us all week to get the sides black on both sides, so that you can't see that this was wooden floors that we actually cut up. But literally this has taken the whole week, because I think we have 93 pieces, 98 pieces that we had to paint on both sides to cover up the wood part of the floor. But we're almost there, thank goodness. Okay, so instead of spray painting the wallpaper like we initially thought we would, we've decided to put this wood or plank or whatever it is, and we're gonna attach the wooden planks to that from the back, and then this just goes in there. The boys love these jobs, and they're learning so much. When it comes to working with the drill, we don't let them work with crazy tools, but obviously the drill is one of their favorites. Every time we do these jobs, the house is just in such a mess, but it's always worth it. So we're sanding the edges.
But at an angle, you see,
He's doing it at an angle.
Go like this.
It's to get all those little splinters off.
And then you turn it around, look there, and you get the splinters off the corners.
No, the angle, Luke. Where's your angle?
Yeah, that's what you want to get off.
Trying. I only have one over
Then you have to hold it.
It's wonderful to do.
Okay, so we're using a block sander with 140 grit sandpaper.
Look at it.
I can't really have a sander.
Enough.
Then this is the planning process. How we're gonna do it.
So what you do, you push
Turned
it
out
back.
to be a lot bigger job once again. Okay, so this is now the board painted. See there, there's the old, there's the new. Okay, and then that's what we're adding. And that's why we had to paint it black on the sides, so you can't see the wooden floor effect. Because if we didn't do that, then it would have been like that wood color, but it wasn't pretty. And that's just the laser to make sure that we do it straight.
Like this together, like I'm holding it. Hold it in there. If it goes, see, it's going to skew because of this.
Okay, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 done. Well, 5, but that one needs to be replaced. And about 90 to go. So that's what we're doing at the back, and then it will go on there. So lining it up was not as easy as it looks. It took us probably about 2 days to make sure that it's right, but eventually it was done, and we absolutely love the way that it turned out. It looks stunning at night, looks beautiful during the day, and I love the colors of the wooden floor and the different grains in between. I think this job really turned out gorgeous. What do you think? Please let us know in the comments below. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification button, and we will soon share another wall that we've started with you. Bye guys!